Some numbers don't just show up, they follow you. And 555 is one of the loudest. In modern numerology circles, 555 is read as a big, bright nudge. Change is unfolding, and you're meant to move with it. Not random, more like a turning point vibe, where life wants to update your route. The number 5 is linked with change, freedom, movement, curiosity, life lessons you learn by living them. And 555 is that energy amplified, like your intuition turned up to max volume. It's often interpreted as something is evolving: plans, relationships, work, location, even identity. If you're seeing 555 a lot, think shift incoming. Not to scare you, just to prepare you. A classic 555 message is, stop forcing what isn't working. Release what keeps you stuck. If you're fighting a door that won't open, 555 is the reminder to stop wrestling and look sideways. It's also about choosing expansion over comfort, taking the opportunity, having the hard conversation, trying the new approach. 555 says, you don't need the whole map, just the next right step. Even if you're skeptical, you can use 555 as a reflection prompt, like a gentle check-in. First question, what am I outgrowing right now? Second, what change have I been avoiding? Third, if I wasn't afraid, what would I choose this month? Fourth, what's one small action today that matches the new chapter? Let's talk love. When 555 shows up, it can point to relationships evolving. Sometimes it's a nudge toward deeper honesty, saying the thing that clears the air. Other times it's a new phase or a necessary reset that makes space for real growth. If 555 keeps popping up around your love life, drop a comment. What's changing for you? Career-wise, 555 is pure pivot energy, new role, new direction, or a push toward a smart risk. It might be your sign to explore what fits now, not what fit 2 versions of you ago. It's not blow up your life. It's take the calculated step you've been postponing. One message, one application, one conversation. Tiny moves count, especially when you repeat them. For personal growth, 555 often signals, break the routine. You're ready for fresh input. That can mean travel, learning, trying something new, or simply changing your environment enough to wake yourself up. Sometimes 555 is independence, getting back to what you want, not what you've been tolerating. If it feels stale, it's probably asking to be released, so your life can make room for what's next. 555 can feel like a shakeup, but the message is usually growth on the other side. You're not behind because you don't have all the answers. You're human and adaptable. Quick recap. Let go of what's stale, choose expansion, and take one clear step forward. Here's your challenge. In the next 24 hours, do one small action your future self will thank you for. Tell me in the comments, what change is calling you right now? I read them and I reply. If this helped you feel clearer, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next sign breakdown. Share this with someone who's stuck in a loop. And if you want to support the work, sending thanks helps more than you think. Before you scroll away, what's the next right step you already know you need to take? If 555 found you today, take it as permission. Release what's stale, adapt, and move forward. See you in the next video.